Welcome back everyone. In the last video we learned how website work, how browser communicate with server to display web pages. Now let's start with the foundation of every website, HTML. By end of this video we will understand what is HTML, why we use it, the structure of an HTML document, and we will even write simple example using VS Code. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language, it is a markup language that defines the structure of web page. Think of it like a skeleton of website. Every image, heading, button or paragraph you see in a web page, all of that start with HTML. Now let's see what is the use of HTML. HTML tells the browser what each part of the web page is. For example, H1 defines the heading, paragraph tag defines the paragraph, IMG tag add an image, and anchor tag create a link. It does not control how things look. That's the job of CSS. It also does not make things interactive. That is what JavaScript does. But without HTML, the browser would not know what the content to display at all. It is like a foundation of house. Everything else is built on the top of it. Now let's see the structure of an HTML document. So doc type HTML tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. The HTML tag is the root element. Everything goes inside it. Head tag contains the information about the page like title, link or metadata. Title tag is what appears on the browser tab. Body tag contains the everything that is visible on the web page like heading, paragraph, images, etc. So when you open this file on the browser, you will see hello world as the heading and this is my first HTML page as a paragraph. So let's make a simple code on VS Code. So open the VS Code. If you not install the VS Code, just go to your browser and go to this website, that is visualstudio.com, and download the VS Code depending on your operating system. So I am using Windows, so I already download the VS Code for my system. So now create a HTML file. Just click on this icon and open the folder. I already opened this folder HTML code. You also need to open the folder where you can save the files. So just click on this icon and create a new file. You can give any name you want. I giving in my case index.html. You can give any name you want. You can give first your name, but it is necessary to give the .html as an extension and just enter, and you can see the index.html file was created. Just hide this section and let's create a HTML structure document. Type HTML and this HTML5 and enter. You can see the HTML structure document was created. We already know about the doc type HTML, HTML tag, this head section, this body section. In the head section, here is a title. In the title, let's giving a name as my first program. In a body tag, let's create a heading tag which is h1. In a h1 tag, give the text as hello world, hello world. Okay, this is the opening tag, this is a closing tag, this is our content, and it's make a HTML element. Okay, so also let's create a paragraph tag. So this is opening, this is a closing tag, and this is content, makes a HTML element. Okay, so let's run this in a browser. Just save the file, control and yes, and just right click and open with live server. This is open with live server and click on it. Here we go, our first web page is live. You can see our h1 tag is a display on the web browser. Our paragraph tag is also display on the browser, and this is our title which is my first program. You can edit h1 like hello Anand. Okay, and control S and save. You can see the text is changed, hello Anand. So that is the basic structure of HTML, simple but powerful. In the next video we will go deeper into HTML tag, attributes, and start building our first mini web page step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.